And Pedro Penduko looking for the lead. Promise Lucky Lorky moving up. Masaganangani My Sweet Leonora now from the outside. And going along for the first turn, Pedro Penduko leads the pack by some 5 now, followed by Masaganangani. My Sweet Leonora is running in third, down in fourth. Quick Storm running by the wheel last seam around the outside. Lucky Lorky, how did you know? While Promise having some problem, it's still Pedro Penduko by some 4 lengths. Masaganangani, Quick Storm, My Sweet Leonora. How did you know? Moving up na the outside. Inside the last 600, Pedro Penduko by some 5 lengths. My Sweet Leonora. How did you know? Moving up na the outside. Lucky Lorky, Masaganangani as they turn for home, but still Pedro Penduko by some 4 lengths, followed by how did you know? Now the outside, it's still Pedro Penduko. How did you know? On the outside, Pedro Penduko. How did you know? Lucky Lorky on the further outside, and finally Lucky Lorky. Close Pedro Penduko. How did you know? Promise My Sweet Leonora.
42715, unofficial. Only